Today we're here to set up my Ring Spotlight Cam mount. All right, here's our Spotlight Cam. Set that here. We have a rectangular gasket, our box cover with another gasket, and another box cover, one more box cover, our instructions, and the install kit. All right, let's get to work. Since we're working with live electrical wires, we're going to turn off the main power to the unit. This is the light I'm looking to replace. It has a round base, so I'm going to put on our round box cover. We don't need the camera yet, so we're going to take it out of here in order to make it a little bit easier to wire, but now we're ready to mount it. We're going to take our box cover and hook it in and rest it up there. Okay, now we're going to stuff the wires back in. We're going to take our screw and we put the rubber washer, then the metal washer, so it'll be watertight. And then now we will screw this into the wall here. Okay, we're going to put the camera in. And now screw in the security screw. Okay, we've turned power back on the breaker. Now it's time to set it up on the app. So we're going to go to Setup Device, Security Cams, Spotlight Cam Mount. All right, we're all set up and good to go. Now we're all covered on this side of the house.